Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a very common issue that we face, that is oily skin, enlarged pores, dark spots and acne marks. To address all of these issues, I have a product to talk about in today's video, and I'm talking about the latest launch by Plum, which is their 10% Niacinamide Serum with rice water. This serum is everyone's BFF because it suits all skin types and concerns. Quickly talking about the packaging, this is how the outer packaging looks like. It is a cardboard packaging and it is a fragrance-free product, comes in a 30 ml packaging like this. We all know that Plum products are cruelty-free and vegan, and showing you all the actual product, this is how the actual product looks like. It comes in a glass bottle. Also, it has a dropper which is very convenient to use. I absolutely love products with droppers. Now let's quickly see what are the ingredients and what are the benefits of this serum. Talking about the main three key ingredients of this serum, the first one is niacinamide. So basically, niacinamide helps you to soothe acne and it also regulates the sebum production. The second key ingredient, which is rice water, is a superstar ingredient because it helps you to minimize fine lines and wrinkles, reduces the blemish and also reduces the appearance of enlarged pores. The third ingredient, which is squalane, is derived from olive, and this antioxidant fights free radicals that helps you to slow down signs of aging. The combination of niacinamide and rice water is so unique, it will help you to heal, repair and protect your skin. Serum has a lot of benefits to your skin, and quickly talking about few, it helps you to fade the blemishes and dark spots. It also helps you to regulate the sebum production, helps you to minimizes the pores, and also soothes and calms your acne and inflammation. Lastly, it also helps you to protect and repair your skin barriers. The application of this serum is very easy. You just need 2 to 3 drops and take this niacinamide serum and pat it into your skin. The texture of this serum is very lightweight and absorbs quickly. Use this serum after cleansing and before moisturizing, and also ensure that the serum is fully absorbed before layering the another product. The serum can be used both in the day and night time for better results. Plum had recently conducted a consumer study which was a 4-week based self-assessment to prove the efficacy of this serum, and they found out that 83% users saw reduction in blemishes, 88% users saw visible difference in their skin tone, and 3/4 users reported clearer skin. I was also very intrigued to try out this product and see personally whether this serum is everyone's BFF or not. And to my surprise, I used this product for over 3 weeks and I could see a visible difference in my skin. My skin tone is more clearer, and definitely it had reduced the blemishes, and I am loving my skin even more. The serum has also made my skin so much plumper and hydrated, and I am absolutely loving the effect of this serum, and I would highly recommend you all to give it a try. You can use my coupon code to avail 10% discount, and the link for this product will be in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. Apart from getting discount from my coupon code, you will also get cashback, you will also get reward points and early access to newly launched product from Plum on their website. Plum is definitely one of my favorite skincare brands when it comes to drugstore category, and I have a lot of Plum products. I absolutely enjoy all of them, and I'm sure you must have also tried Plum products. Do let me know in the comment section down below which particular product from Plum you love the most. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, give it a like, do subscribe, be a part of my virtual family. Also follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description, and I shall see you all really soon with my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.